Welcome to Crash Course Hotels. Welcome back. Today's crash course is the Hyatt Regency Taoyuan International Airport. This is definitely a convenient stop for travelers heading to different places in Southeast Asia or heading back to North America. You may find yourself going through Taiwan. That was the case when I made my visit here. As you can see, this Hyatt Regency has a very nice large lobby area. There was a coffee shop over there. They do have a buffet in the evenings and the afternoon. Nice large bar area. Plenty of comfortable seating, of course. Here we'll take a look at the room. Stepping in, you have the closet with your robe, and I love it when they include a scale. I'm at a hotel now that has a scale. I always love that. And you got the ironing board and flashlight if you lose power there. Plenty of room to put your luggage, and you can see they have the slippers as well as a laundry service. And of course, you're safe. Here's your tea and coffee setup along with the mini fridge. I have a few mini bar items, but it's definitely got plenty of room in there. Nice size room. King size bed there. Plenty of room to get around. You see they have a little small couch off to the side. Decent area there for you to work, even though it's just built into the side there. Nothing wrong with that. There you got the little table that goes along with the couch. We'll use that later. Decent view from this room. Unique on the bathroom setup, you actually stand in the tub to take a shower. Haven't seen that in a while, but it worked just fine. You can see they left me plenty of towels there. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review. I have a pool table up next to the gym. That was pretty interesting, and they will set you up. You can just go and ask for the balls and the cues and everything. Here you can see, look down from that area. Let's walk over here to the gym. This gym is rather large. Plenty of machines. Very well staffed. Staff was very friendly. Had a good conversation with the young lady up here. You can see the view out there from the gym, but just tons of machines and very well spaced. You're not cramped in here at all. And right next to the gym, we'll finish this up here. Yeah, you can see just tons of machines. What I was going to tell you is right next to the gym, they also have the pool area. We'll take a look at that. I'm actually filming that through a glass. You have to check in, and obviously I wasn't wearing anything to go swimming. I just wanted to get a quick look at the pool and show it to you, but it is a nice large pool. Didn't look overly crowded there. And the same desk that takes care of the gym takes care of the pool as well. They have plenty of towels for you. Everything's set up very nicely here. one more thing to look at this hotel, and that would be the lounge. I came up here during the evening. You can see they do have a selection of some hot items here, as well as beverages, of course, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Gotta stay away from all these little desserts. They'll catch up with you when you're on the road. I had to fly out early, so I wasn't able to film breakfast at this location for you, but I did try the food other than the lounge. I tried the fish and chips from the kitchen, and it was very good. Decent stay if you're on the way. Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.